I have a time delay for some reason when I hit my I don't know what it's called iMovies. So I do this. I edit it through iMovies. Then it goes to YouTube, various wherever else it would go to. There's a delay. I apologize. So I'm kind of like I don't know how to fix it. So I just gotta delay myself. Anyway, back on to this, following more on the Travis Scott tragedy, the Astro World devastation. This is going to be big for a while, and sorry if y'all don't like this. Let me know in the comments, and also please subscribe. I crossed 200. Y'all snuck in on me. I was 2 away from it the other day, and I said, I'm 2 away. Like, we're gonna have a big party past this, and somebody went out there and they unsubscribed. So it hurt. That burned. It was like pouring rubbing alcohol on a boo boo, and my boo boo is my life. So here we go with Travis Scott, the latest. I'm following the court cases as they come in because I think it's really early that these are already starting. I don't think that all the evidence is out, and but it's a strategy. Trust me on that. A family of a 9-year-old boy in coma after Astro World tragedy sues Travis Scott, and this is from and Live Nation. The family of a 9-year-old boy who is in a medically induced coma due to the injuries I'm sorry, that hurts. A 9-year-old boy has had to put. I'm not going to judge why the 9-year-old was there. Okay, let's not do that. But a medically induced coma it's an amazing thing. It's amazing that we have that, but just pray for the kid, okay? He doesn't need that. He's filed a negligence lawsuit against Travis Scott and Live Nation. Ezra Blunt, referred to in the lawsuit as EB, attended Astro World with his father, Tristan Blunt, and was kicked, stepped on, and trampled, and nearly crushed to death, according to the lawsuit filed on Tuesday. He's currently in an induced coma on life support. It has incurred severe liver, kidney, and brain damage. To his young growing body, these injuries will have lifelong effects, impairing his quality of life and ability to grow and thrive as he would have had he not been subjected to this incident. The Blunts are being represented by Ben Crump, a civil rights and personal injury lawyer, best known for representing the families of George Floyd and Breonna Taylor and Ahmaud Arbery. Ahmaud's trial is going on right now. In this announcement that he would be representing the family on Monday night, Crump said the suffering that this family is going through is immeasurable. The little boy had his whole life ahead of him, a life that is currently hanging in the balance because of reckless mismanagement that ensued at the Astro World Festival. We ask everyone to send up the most powerful prayers as they can as this family tries to grapple with the undoable damage that has been done to their son. We demand justice for EB, his family, and all of our clients that left Astro World with trauma. The Blunts are seeking $1 million for what they call grossly negligent conduct of the defendants. Okay, so this is the third one. It's the $1 million must be the cap on lawsuits in Texas. Again, this is a 9-year-old. Everything he said is true. He comes through this, he's going to have lifetime trauma. And again, you say, oh, well, the parents shouldn't have had the child there. Like I said, I don't want to talk about that because that's not illegal. They did nothing wrong. Imagine this being anywhere else in the country. Okay, imagine this happening at Walmart because the next Tickle Me Elmo has come out. $1 million? They made more than $1 million on beer sales. I mean, it was... Remember the hot coffee at McDonald's lawsuit? That was for a total of 2 days worth of coffee sales at McDonald's. 2 days of just coffee, not their hamburgers, not their soft drinks, not their delicious sweet tea. just their coffee sales. So $1 million is not a lot of money. You figure attorney fees. I mean, gosh, tuition. Think about the college tuition nowadays. It's over $100,000. All right, there's no way you're getting through college less than $100,000. If you do any type of graduate school, you're past that $100,000 mark. So I continue to be against tort liability reform. I think it takes the power away from the people. And if the jury box doesn't have the last voice, then there's something really wrong. Anyway, that's my soapbox. $1 million. They're suing Scott, Live Nation, Score More, Scott's Cactus Jack Records, and more. Nobody has replied. Let's see here. Tristan Blunt also set up a GoFundMe page to help aid the family in paying for his hospital bills. In the description of the site, Tristan Blunt, by the way, there is a GoFundMe here. I'm not going to click to it or link to it. I'm apolitical neutral on this. But you can find it. The kid's name is Tristan Blunt. It describes that he had, or the father's Tristan. He had Ezra Blunt on his shoulders. Gosh, man, I mean, I've seen kids at concerts like that on his shoulders while waiting for Drake to come on stage. And when he was crushed by the crowd to the point where he passed out, he regained consciousness, Ezra was gone. The father's not suing. Think about this one. According to this, the father's not suing for his damages, just his kids. Tristan later relocated his son at a hospital. Could you imagine your kid's gone? $1 million. I mean, that's what that. Why is that the number that all these states have settled on? This is such crap. It's a complete, absolute, most asinine injustice that we've ever had take over our legal system. I'm sorry, that's my soapbox. I got back on it. I brought an old-fashioned phone book to stand on. He woke up, the kid was gone. Now he's damaged. He's in a hospital. He had no time to think about where he gets the best treatment or anything else. He just hopes his son lives. And $1 million is not going to cover all their fees. And that's it. I'm mad about this whole thing. You don't understand what's happening. It's Travis Scott. It's Kendall Genders, Gender Kendall, whatever her name is, Jendal. Her boyfriend. They don't even get married. I bet you that's another. It's for liability reasons. This guy, he's been out there encouraging riots in other places. Now he's going to pay for the funerals for these people. That's great. They're dead, all right? But this kid, he's 9 years old. I don't even know who he is, but I'm sure the hell wished a better life than he's going to have. So if you like my rants, subscribe. If you don't, you got another channel to go to. Other than that, I love you guys. Peace out. Hey, thanks for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. Appreciate it.